Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to recover password in Messenger. So first open the Messenger application. Now once you're at the Messenger page, at the home page, you need to tap on forgot password at the bottom of your screen. Tap that. For the recovery process in Messenger, you first need to provide the phone number or the email address. Type in your email address, then tap on next. You need to choose the option of send via email and then tap on next. Now a code has been sent to this email address of yours for the recovery. Now what you need to do is you need to go check your mail and type in that code over here. There's the code. Copy this code and paste it over here. Tap on paste. Once you type in the code, you will direct it to this page where you will be able to provide a new password for the account. You type in the new password and then tap on next. There you can see you have been logged in and you have successfully recovered the password in Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.